How do I turn off the subtitles from the Pictory video? When you create a video in Pictory, it's always about the text. You can make a video from text, YouTube video, or blog post. So in the end, you always have transcribed the video. But what if you don't want the video to have subtitles? You can simply turn them off. Here's how. First, go to your project. If you created it just now, you are in the editor. But if you have a video and you want to turn off the subtitles for that video, just go to my project and find your video in the list and click on it. In the main editor, under the video main monitor, there is a button with CC on it. When you click on it, it will remove the title from that scene. If you want to remove titles from the entire video, click on Remove Them All. This will remove all the titles from the video. If you want the titles to be shown, click on the same button and then Apply to All to bring the title back. If you create a video from a YouTube video, you are in a different editor. You can also turn off the subtitles there. Find the toggle for the titles under the video on the main monitor and turn it off. Subscribe and like this video and watch this video next.